How do you pick a PhD advisor? This is a very consequential decision because a PhD advisor is not only fundamental for your PhD, for your thesis, but for your entire academic career, because these people will keep writing letters of recommendation when you apply for postdocs and for tenure track positions, even when you go up to full professor sometimes. In some disciplines or some departments, you apply to a department already with one person in mind, but I don't think that's the case for most mathematics departments, and I don't think that's the right way to choose an advisor. I would not pick an advisor just out of a website without knowing that person really well. In general, what happens is that you start your PhD program, you take some basic courses, and then you start taking more advanced courses with professors who could potentially be your thesis advisor later. So you start paying attention to who you like and who you don't like, and then also what kind of things they're interested in. And then start having meetings, request meetings with some of these faculty members so they tell you what is the research about and what have previous students worked on. Out of those, you can also ask them for an independent study, a project that you can work on with them, just like a reading course or a small project to work on with them, just to get an idea of what that relationship would be like between you and that person. Now, you should also ask if they are at this time available to take on students. Some faculty members have a lot of graduate students already, and they might not be able to take on another graduate student at this time. Out of those that are available, you should also talk to other graduate students about what they know about those people and what they know, what working with those people is like, just so you have a sense of whether this is something that would work for you. And then once you've done your research and you've done your homework and you've met a couple of people and you really know who you would like to work with, then you pop the question and then you go to the professor and ask them if you could work with them towards a PhD thesis. And if so, what problem would they have in mind for you to work on? Maybe they have some new plan in mind and you're not interested in that kind of project, in which case you might want to try someone else. Myself, as an advisor, I really encourage students to talk to many people, faculty members in my department and other departments. So even for those that I'm already advising, I hope that they talk to other faculty members in my department about their problem, but also about other problems, just because it's good to have a full network of people that you can ask questions and advise to.